Today, the objective of this lab to create a database for a car booking system. So, uh, in this lab experiment, we have to create four tables: customer details, car details, price details, and booking. And according to that, we have to answer all these lab exercise questions. So, let's see how to do this. So for the first question, for the car booking schema, create a table with appropriate integrity constraints and describe the structure of the tables. So for that we have to create a table. So there is a command create table. So create table customer details. It will create a table which will be named as customer details, and on that table we have so many columns like we have for customer details we have cust id, login name, register date, like that we have so many columns. So to give that columns we have to write like this: cust id, then the data type, like that login name varchar 20 is the size of the login name, then register date of data type date. Like this we have to give all the all the attributes. Now, and using same command we have to create other tables like car details, price details, and booking. Now the next question is declare the cust id and car id as foreign key in the booking table. So we have to alter something in the table, so we have to use a command called alter table. So alter table price details add foreign key. So foreign key is a constraint so that we can refer from one table to another table. So here order table price details add foreign key car id references car details. So the table price details of attribute car id will refer to the car details table. So like for and the next question is add a constraint so that email id should be unique. Now unique is another constraint. So email should be unique, it should not match with other emails id. So to that we have to alter the table. So alter table customer details add constraint, and this is the constraint name new con unique email. So the email will be unique. If we give same email, then it will show some error. Now next question is change the data type of the color attribute to char. Now the data type of color we have to change it to char. So how we can do? We have to alter the table. So alter table car details modify color cat 20. So again we have to use alter command. Now next question is ensure name field should not be null. Now null is another constraint. So the name field of the table should not be empty. So if we are not giving any name, then it will show some error. So again we have to alter table. So we have to use same command alter table customer details modify login name varchar not null. So if you are not writing any name in login name, then it will show some error because it has a new constraint called null. Now the next question is avoid the redundant entry for the registration number column by adding appropriate constraint to the column. So again we have to alter table. So alter table car details add constraint. Now this is another constraint name mycon3. Uh, here we have given one constraint name, and here again we are giving another constraint name. So these two names should not be same. If we are giving same name, then it will show some error. Now this constraint then unique. Now we have to make registration number as unique. It should not match with other registrations number. Now next question is remove the email column in the customer table. Now we have to do some operations in customer table. We have to remove a column called email. So alter table customer details drop column email. So this command will help us to drop the column email. Now next question is add the email column in the customer table. So we have to add. Now in last question we have deleted email column. Now we have to add email column. So again we have to use same command alter table customer details add email of varchar 20. We have to give the data type of the email. Okay. Now the next question is rename the table booking to car booking. Now we have to rename the table. So rename the for that command we have to use rename command. So rename booking to car booking. So this will rename the table name to car booking. Now the next question is, now we want to give some permission to another users. Like suppose I am a system administrator, I have the permission to do everything with my database. Suppose I want to give some permission to my friend, then for that we have to use grant command. So grant insert comma delete update on booking to Abjit. Suppose I want to give all my permissions to take. थोड़ा मैं देख रहा था. Now, in the next question, suppose I want to take the permission from the user, then I have to use the command called revoke. Revoke, insert, delete, update. So on booking from Abjit, so it will take all the permissions. Like now, from this command, by using this command, now Abjit will not be able to use the database which is created by the system administrator. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video.